Most people assume you need a costly software or advanced editing skills to make talking AI avatar. But what if I told you that you can do it entirely within Canva, whether you are on the free plan or pro? I've tested countless AI tools and created hundreds of avatars. And this is by far one of the simplest and most user-friendly ways I've tried. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make your own faceless talking avatar in Canva, even if this is your very first attempt. Let's get started. Before we dive in, I want to mention something because I get asked about this a lot. Canva free users get 20 lifetime credits for Dreamlab, which is used for AI image generation. If you are on Canva Pro, Teams, or Education, you get 500 new credits each month, which automatically reset on the first day of month. I'm in Canva, and up here at the top, I will select Canva AI and click. You will notice some options at the bottom that you can explore depending on what you want to create. I will pick Create an Image. Once you are here, check out Style. There are a lot of styles you can try. Today, I will leave it on Noun. Next, select your aspect ratio. Since I'm making this for YouTube video, I will stick with 16:9. Let me show you a few examples I've already made. I experimented with different styles. Basically, I wanted to create a cartoon YouTuber sitting at desk ready to start tutorial video. Out of all of this, I'm going to use this one. If you click on it, you will see additional options. You could also make edit by typing in your instruction and regenerating it. For now, I will just upscale it. I will click boost resolution, and Canva will generate a higher quality version in few seconds. Once it's done, click on it, and you will see it's upscaled. You also have few other choices, including open it in editor. For now, that's not necessary, so I will download it just like that. I will close this and go back to home screen. I will select YouTube video or video. Then drag and drop my picture in. If I wanted to make edits to the image, I could do that now, but it looks fine, so I will leave it as is. Next, I will go to Apps on the side and click it. Then I will search for the ID. About AI presenters in Canva, free users get 20 lifetime credits, each credit giving up to 15-second video. For instance, a 30-second avatar video would require 2 credits. A 40-second avatar video would require 3 credits. To make longer video, you will need a pay plan. This is the one I want, so I will click it. To use it, few steps are required. First, you need to sign up for the app Once logged in, the app is ready to use. Take a moment to look around. You can upload your own avatar or click here to see the ones they offer. You can choose any avatar from this. Today, I will use the image I have created. My account is already connected, so I will just upload it in. You can choose background colors, type text for it to say, or upload an audio file. If I wanted to type a line, this is where I put here the text I entered. Now I need to pick a voice. You can explore different voices and accents. To hear them, just click here.
Hey, nice to meet you. What do you think of my voice? Hey, nice to meet you. What do you
Hey, nice to meet you. What do you think?
And if you want to select one of them, just select it here and use a voice and it will be selected. That's one option. I will upload the picture. This is my avatar. Select it. For the audio, I will go to audio and upload the script I already recorded. Then click Generate Presenter. And there we go. It's creating it. Okay, the video is ready. Let's enlarge it. You just stretch it like this or just click and choose replace background. Let's play the video and see the result.
Surprise! I'm not just a picture anymore. I can actually talk. Don't worry, I will teach you how I went from a still image to a talking character with Canva and AI. Keep watching.
Great! Now you know how to make an avatar inside Canva. One note, all the voices you see before are from 11 labs, so they are high quality and varied. To hear any voices as I showed you, click on one and use it. To select one, just click it to highlight and it's chosen. And that's it. That's how you use DID within Canva to make a talking avatar. Let's watch it again.
Surprise! I'm not just a picture anymore. I can actually talk. Don't worry, I will teach you how I went from a still image to a talking character with Canva and AI. Keep watching.
If you love discovering awesome AI tricks before anyone else, like, comment, and subscribe now. So you are always up to date when new tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, innovating, and making amazing things with AI. Thanks for watching.